everybody, it's McKenna, your Mac mentor. Lately there's been a lot of viral videos that have to do with kids pranking their parents so that when they plug their iPhone in, it says something funny. So today we're going to be learning how to make a shortcut so every time you plug your phone in, it says a sentence of your choice. Not only can this be a great prank, but it's also very useful for those that may have some trouble hearing the plug-in notification noise on their iPhone. So whichever way you're using it, I guarantee you'll enjoy this video. Let's go. So the first thing we're going to want to do is open up the Shortcut app on our iPhone. And once we're on the Shortcut app, we're going to want to tap the Automation tab there at the bottom. Once we're in the Automation tab, we're going to tap Create Personal Automation. And from there, we'll be able to select a new automation. This one's pretty easy to do. We just scroll to the bottom of the page here. And at the bottom of the page, we'll see the charger option. And the example is when my iPhone connects to power. We're going to go ahead and tap on that. And we're going to keep Is Connected selected and hit Next. So then all we have to do is add in the action for our phone to perform every time that we plug it in. So we'll tap Add Action, and then we can type Speak, and we can select Speak Text. From here we just tap on the text box, and then we can enter what we want it to say when it's plugged in. When it connects to power, it's going to speak our text. And we're going to go ahead and turn off Ask Before Running because we don't want it to have to ask every time, we just want it to do it. Alright, and then we're going to hit Done. Let's try it out. Alright, so as you can see, I've got my phone here and we're going to give it a go. Woo-hoo. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and feel free to check us out at mymacmentor.com.